Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet leaves branch, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. At first I will use Rico Essential Crochet yarn and hook number 1.6 millimeter as shown now. I will start round 1. I will make 30 chains as shown now. Now I finished making 30 chains, then skip 7 chains and make triple crochet stitch as shown now. Here I will make triple crochet stitch. I hope that's obvious for you. As shown now. Then I will make 5 chains and repeat making triple crochet stitch into second loop here from previous triple stitch here into the second loop as shown now. I hope that's easy for you. Now I finished making a triple stitch. Then I will make 5 chains again and make triple crochet only into second loop from previous triple crochet stitch here. I finished making triple crochet stitch with the shape that is first leaf of our branch. Then continue making 5 chains again and make triple crochet again above second triple from the beginning here into the point. I will make triple crochet stitch. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me on the channel and I will reply you as soon as possible. Then continue making 7 chains and close with slip stitch into next triple crochet stitch here into that point. I will close with slip stitch. Now I finished round 1. Then I will start round 2. I will make single crochet into that space, then half double crochet and make 9 double crochet stitches into the same first space as shown now. I made single crochet, then half double crochet, then 9 double crochet stitches into the same space. with the shape, then make 3 chains as shown now, and close with slip stitch into the point. To finish that piece of the first leaf as shown now, first space I filled with stitches, then continue fill the next space with single crochet stitch, then half double crochet, then 5 double crochet stitches into the same space, then make 3 chains and close with a slip stitch into the point with the shape. Then start work into the third space. I will make single crochet stitch, then half double crochet, then 3 double crochet stitches as shown now into the third space. Then make 3 chains and close them with single crochet into the top of the last double crochet as shown now to make a picot stitch with the shape. Then make 3 double crochet stitches into same space, and make half double crochet, then make single crochet into the same space with the shape, and close with slip stitch. Then I will work into the fourth space, so I will make 3 chains and make 5 double crochet into that space, then make half double crochet into the same space and make single crochet into the same space also. Then make 3 chains to move to the last space. I will make 9 double crochet into the last space of the leaf. Then make half double crochet and make single crochet into the same space, with the shape, then close with slip stitch into the point. Now I finished the first leaf of our branch, then continue working above the branch, so I will make slip stitch into next 4 chains as shown now for the branch. Then start new leaf, so I will make 30 chains as shown now and make another 2 leaves for that leaves branch with the same sequence we made for the first leaf. With the shape, I finished 30 chains, and I will repeat that leaves. Now I made 3 leaves with the same sequence. Then I will make slip stitch into every chains until I arrive to the half of the branch between 2 leaves as shown. Now I will make slip stitch into every chains for the branch, as shown now, until I arrive to the half of that branch into the middle between 2 leaves here. I hope that obvious for you. Now I made slip stitch until I arrive to the middle of the 2 leaves as shown now. Then I will make 13 chains as shown now, then turn and skip 7 chains, then make triple crochet stitch. After skip 7 chains, then I will make 5 chains and make triple into second loop of the previous triple crochet stitch as shown now. And continue making the same sequence for that leaf we made before. I will make 5 chains and triple crochet into the second loop of the previous triple crochet stitch as shown now, and make another 5 chains again, then make triple crochet above second triple here, with the shape, then make 7 chains and make slip stitch above first triple crochet here into the point, then continue repeat with the same sequences until the end with the shape. Now I finished that leaf, then continue making slip stitch into every chain until the end, then cut our yarn and fasten off. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will join the yarn with the middle of another 2 leaves and make another leaf with the same sequence we made before. Now I finished that crochet leaves branch, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please subscribe and share and like that video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me, and I will reply you as soon as possible. Bye bye.